Hi, this is Jason at Sports and Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up this all-new Fanatics exclusive Panini Prizm Football Blaster Box. So this version of Prizm is going to feature 5 orange Prizms, 1 silver, and you do have a chance at a memorabilia card. So it says look for. Well, let's see what these are all about. We have not only this version, but the standard disco version on the shelf as well. You can find them at sportszonetoyscomics.com. We are going to receive 4 cards per pack. Pretty much they're normal now. And 6 cards, 6 packs. 24 cards total. Got your nice purple pack here. Kids Reporter. All right, first pack. Tyler Smith, Kyle Duggar, a Cracked Ice, Ricky Williams, non-numbered, and Jacoby Myers. Not a single rookie in the pack. It's not what we want. All right, Chuba Hubbard. There's our first rookie, Jaron Hall. Cracked Ice is Jalen Ramsey. Sam, if you're watching, I know you'll be all over that one. Next pack, we have David Montgomery, Jeffrey Simmons. Ooh, nice. Anthony Richardson. Cracked Ice, Anthony Richardson. That is what we're looking for. Although, if you do look, it is a little OC left to right. But very nice card. Well, might be an AR box coming here. Luke Shoemaker. We have a Khalif Raymond and another Anthony Richardson rookie. That is the Portals rookie. Oh, maybe 2 cards for PSA. Let's see about that. Pack 5. Richie Grant. I got to be honest, I didn't even know he was an Atlanta Falcon. Brian Dawkins. A rookie, Cracked Ice, BJ O'Leary. Bradley Chubb, and a Kids Reporter. All right, last pack for the Prizm Blaster Box Orange Parallel exclusive. David Njoku. A rookie, Nolan Smith. This is going to have our silver, too. Oh, boy, what's it going to be? TJ Hawkinson base silver. Not great. And a Rodney Thomas. So that was decent. We got the ARs. That's good. 2024 Prizm Football Blaster Box. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. And have a nice day.